Search engines are like librarians that decide which books, web pages to show first on a shelf search results. They use algorithms, a set of rules to rank pages. PageRank: imagine every website as a voter. When site A links to site B, it gives B a vote. The more votes and the higher the voting site's own votes, the higher B's rank. The original formula is PR of A equals 1 minus D plus D times sum of PR of TI divided by C of TI, where D is the damping factor, usually 0.85, TI are pages linking to A, and C of TI is the number of outbound links from TI. Relevance: search engines read the page's text, headings, and other signals to judge how well it matches the query keywords, similar to checking a book's table of contents for a topic. EAT stands for expertise, authoritativeness, trustworthiness. Google treats a page like a doctor's prescription. It wants to know who wrote it, whether the author is an expert, and if the site is trustworthy. News sites, medical sites, and financial sites are judged more strictly. All three pillars, link authority, relevance, and EAT, combine to decide the final ranking position. On-page SEO is the housekeeping you do inside your own house. Website before inviting guests, search engines over. Content: write for people first, then for bots. Use clear headings H1, H2, answer common questions, and include target keywords naturally like a cookbook that lists ingredients first, then steps. Meta tags. Title tag: the headline that appears in search results. Keep it under 60 characters and place the primary keyword near the front. Meta description: a 150 to 160 character summary that can improve click-through rates. Though not a ranking factor, it acts like the blurb on a book cover. URL structure: simple readable URLs work best. Example: example.com/SEO-tips is clearer than example.com/?P equals 123. Use hyphens to separate words and keep the depth folders shallow like a well-organized filing cabinet. Other on-page tweaks include alt text for images, describe the picture for bots, internal linking, creating a roadmap for crawlers, and page load speed, compress images, use caching. Off-page SEO is the reputation you earn outside your own home, similar to word-of-mouth referrals. Authority: think of each backlink as a vote of confidence. A link from a high-authority site, for example a major news outlet, is worth more than one from a small blog. Tools like Moz's Domain Authority (DA) or RF's Domain Rating (DR) quantify this. Backlink analysis: regularly audit your link profile. Identify toxic links, such as spammy sites or exact match anchor over optimization, and disavow them via Google Search Console. Anchor text: the clickable words in a link act like a label. Exact match anchors, best SEO tools, can boost relevance, but overuse can look manipulative. A natural mix: brand generic naked URL is best. Link building strategies: guest posting, write useful articles for reputable blogs, and include a contextual link back. Broken link outreach: find broken links on a site, suggest your working page as a replacement. Skyscraper technique: create a superior version of existing popular content and ask those who link to the original to link to yours. These tactics help search engines see your site as trusted and relevant. Measuring SEO success is like checking a business's health check report. Organic traffic: the number of visitors who arrived via unpaid search results. Use Google Analytics to track sessions, page views, and new versus returning users. Conversion rate: CR: the percentage of visitors who complete a desired action, purchase, or sign up. Formula: CR equals conversions divided by total visitors times 100%. Customer acquisition cost: CAC: total spend on SEO content creation. Tools: agency fees divided by the number of new customers acquired from organic traffic. Formula: CAC equals total SEO cost divided by acquired customers. Lifetime value: LTV: the projected revenue a customer brings over the entire relationship. Simple version: LTV equals average order value times purchase frequency times gross margin. ROI: compare the profit generated by organic traffic against the SEO investment. Formula: ROI equals organic revenue minus SEO cost divided by SEO cost times 100%. By tracking these metrics, managers can decide if SEO dollars are yielding a healthy return compared to other channels. PPC pay-per-click. Auctions work like a competitive bidding war at an auction house, but quality matters more than raw money. Ad rank determines the position of your ad and is calculated as ad rank equals bid times quality score. Quality score 0 to 10 reflects expected click-through rate, ad relevance, and landing page experience. A high-quality score can let a lower bid win a top slot. Cost per click you only pay when someone clicks. The CPC you actually pay is based on the competitor's ad rank, not your own. Formula. CPC equals ad rank competitor divided by quality score, your ad plus $0.01. $0.01 is the minimum increment to outbid the next advertiser. Example, if you bid $2.00 with a quality score of 8, ad rank equals 16, and the next highest competitor has an ad rank of 14, your CPC equals 14 divided by 8 plus 0.01 equals $1.76. You win the top spot while paying less than your maximum bid. Thus, investing in ad relevance and landing page quality can dramatically lower costs and improve position. An SEM campaign is organized like a corporate hierarchy: campaigns, ad groups, and keywords. Campaign top-level bucket, usually aligned with a business goal, for example, Spring Sale 2026. It holds budget caps and geographic targeting. Ad group, a collection of ads and related keywords that share a common theme, for example, running shoes. Keyword match types. Broad match reach. Many queries may include synonyms. Phrase match triggers when the search includes the exact phrase plus additional words before or after. Exact match, only the exact keyword or close variance triggers the ad. Budget pacing models. Even pacing, spend the daily budget uniformly across the day. Accelerated pacing, spend as quickly as possible, useful for limited time promotions. Portfolio budgeting, combine budgets across multiple campaigns to allocate funds dynamically based on performance. Effective structure allows easy reporting, optimization, and control over spend. For instance, if the running shoes ad group shows high conversion, but the sneakers group is wasteful, you can shift budget to the former without affecting other products. Conversion funnel optimization is like trimming a garden path, so visitors can walk straight to the flower sale. A/B testing. Show two variants A and B to random segments and compare outcomes. Statistical significance. Determines if observed difference is likely due to the change rather than random chance. Use a 95% confidence level. Alpha equals 0.05. Sample size formula. N equals Z alpha over 2 plus Z beta squared times P1 times 1 minus P1 plus P2 times 1 minus P2 divided by P1 minus P2 squared. Where Z alpha over 2 equals 1.96 for 95% confidence. Z beta equals 0.84 for 80% power. P1 equals baseline conversion rate. P2 equals expected conversion rate after change. Example, baseline conversion rate equals 4%. 0.04. You expect an uplift to 5%. 0.05. Plugging values gives a required sample size of roughly 5,000 visits per variant. Other funnel tweaks. Simplify forms, add trust badges, use scarcity only 3 left, and test page speed. Continuous testing builds an evidence-based path that maximizes revenue per visitor. Integrating SEO and SEM creates a synergistic orchestra where each channel supports the other. Attribution modeling answers the question which touchpoints deserve credit for a sale. First click gives 100% credit to the first interaction, good for brand awareness campaigns. Last click credits the final click, commonly used in simple reporting. Data-driven multi-touch uses machine learning to assign fractional credit based on historical patterns. It might give 30% to a paid ad, 20% to an organic click, and 50% to a direct visit. Integrated strategy. Use SEM keyword data to discover high-intent terms and create SEO content around them. For example, if buy leather boots drives paid conversions, write a comprehensive buying guide. Leverage SEO landing pages as quality score boosters for PPC ads. Well-optimized pages improve landing page experience. Retarget users who arrived organically but did not convert with display ads, and vice versa. By assigning proper attribution, marketers can allocate budget wisely, ensuring that both organic and paid efforts are recognized for their true contribution to revenue. Legal and ethical rules are the traffic lights of digital marketing. They keep everything safe and fair. FTC guidelines United States require clear disclosure of any material connection between the marketer and the endorsed product. For example, influencers must use #ad or #sponsored when promoting a brand. Data privacy. Regulations like GDPR Europe and CCPA California give users rights over their personal data. Obtain explicit consent before collecting cookies. Provide easy opt-out mechanisms. Store data securely and delete it on request. Ad disclosure. Search ads must include a clear ad label so users can distinguish paid from organic results. Misleading claims, for example false scarcity only one left, can trigger legal action. Ethical practices. Avoid clickbait headlines, deceptive redirects, or hidden fees. Build trust by being transparent about pricing, data usage, and terms of service. Ethical conduct not only prevents lawsuits but also enhances brand reputation and long-term return on investment. Emerging trends are the new tools in a marketer's toolbox. Voice search. More users ask smart speakers what's the best Italian restaurant nearby. Content must be conversational, use natural language questions, and include local schema, for example address and opening hours. AI-driven optimization. Platforms like Google's Performance Max use machine learning to automatically allocate budget, create ad variations, and predict conversions. Marketers feed high-quality feed data such as product titles and images and let the AI test combinations at scale. Structured data schema markup adds a hidden code layer that tells search engines the meaning of content. Example, using product schema to mark price, availability, and reviews can generate rich snippets. Featured snippets provide concise answers to queries, for example, a table of best laptops 2026. Optimizing for these can earn a position 0 spot, driving massive traffic without extra cost. Staying ahead means implementing schema, creating voice-friendly FAQ pages, and leveraging AI tools